Today I wanna show you my empty apartment. So please come in. Come in. Entrance and hallway. I have here a hanger. Maybe I will put a bench, or I will make some proper shoes storage. And then here we have first bedroom. This room is the darkest room. For bedroom, I prefer a little bit dark, calm and quiet place. And I'm not sure I'm going to put our bed here or here. And then we have another room here. We are gonna use this room as a home office. This apartment has inner court. It is really good. So we can see the sky here. I couldn't buy any plants, flowers this time, so I just brought my old dried eucalyptus. I wanna open this door. I can move around using this inner court. I hope you enjoyed my empty apartment tour. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe
to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Bye.